I'm Jennifer Hunter, and this is my final project for 120B. For this project, I've created a Morse code translator using a Nokia screen, writing custom characters to the 16:2 LCD, EEPROM, and UCR. So to start, I can select one of my two presets here, SOS or high. And then using the potentiometer and the ADC, I can actually change the frequency of the buzzer, and you can see the custom characters I display have also increased. And then for the third option, the custom text, using UCR, I'll go over to my computer and just type in hello, you can see here. And then when I hit enter, it starts playing. And then in order to show EEPROM, I can reprogram my @mega. And now if I go back, you can see it saved the last message.